Hello friends, today I shall be sharing about some of the problem solving from 10th Standard Science Model Question Paper. This is taken from 10th PTA question book of Samachir Kalvi. Come on, let's get started. Now let us take 22 question from part 2. Here they have given from the value of ionic product of water at 25 degrees Celsius, find out the concentration of hydroxyl ions. Also they have given at 25 degrees Celsius concentration of hydrogen ions in water is 10 power minus 7 mole per dm cube. Now let's check out the solution. Now here first let's take the given at 25 degrees Celsius concentration of hydrogen ions in water, that is H plus is 1 into 10 power minus 7 mole per dm cube. Now we know the ionic product of water, that is Kw, is equal to H plus ions and OH minus ions. This is ionic product of water. Also, the Kw value is 1 into 10 power minus 14 mole per dm cube. Now let's substitute the values. So 1 into 10 power minus 14 is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 7 of OH minus ions. So OH minus is given by 1 into 10 power minus 14 divided by 1 into 10 power minus 7. So this is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 7. So this is the value of hydroxyl ions in water. So this gives concentration of hydroxyl ions. Now let's take 23rd question of part 2. In this we will see the second one. The power of a lens is given as minus 2d. Find the focal length of a lens. Now let's check on the solution. Now let us take the given power of lens minus 2d. We have to find focal length of the lens. Power of lens is given by P is equal to 1 by F. So this is equal to minus 2d, it is given. Now 1 by F value is equal to minus 2. So F is equal to minus 1 by 2, which is minus 0.5. So this is the focal length of the lens. Now let us take 24th first question from part 3. Here they have given a figure. So from the given figure, calculate angle of reflection of sound. Now let's check on the solution. Now we have the given. So here they have given the incident ray and the reflected ray of sound. So we have to find the angle of reflection. For this we have to find angle of incidence I. So this is given by 90 minus 50. which is equal to 40 degree. And we know that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So angle of incident sound is equal to angle of reflected sound. So this is equal to 40 degree. So angle of reflection or reflected sound R is equal to 40 degree. Now let us take 24th second question from part 3. Nuclear fission of a uranium nucleus is given as follows. Uranium-235-92 plus 1 neutron gives X plus Y plus 3 neutrons plus energy. Now let's check on the solution. Now let's take the given nuclear fission reaction is uranium-235-92 plus 1 neutron gives X, Y, 3 neutrons and energy. Now we have to find X and Y value. So this fission reaction gives barium plus krypton plus 3 neutrons and energy. Now let's write the barium and krypton atomic numbers. 56 and this is 36. So when you sum this one, you have to get 92. Now let us take the atomic weight. So that is 141 and 92. So X is equal to barium 56 141 and Y is equal to krypton 92 and here 36. Now here let us take 27th question from part 3. In that first one, the mass percentage of carbon is 27.28% and the mass percentage of oxygen is 72.73%. Calculate the molecular mass of the compound. Now let's check out the solution. Now let's take the given mass percentage of carbon equal to 27.28, mass of oxygen 72.73. We have to find molecular mass of compound. First let us find number of moles of carbon C, which is equal to mass of carbon by atomic mass of carbon, which is equal to 27.28 by 12, and this gives 2.27 and approximated to 2. Similarly, number of moles of oxygen O is equal to mass of oxygen divided by atomic mass of oxygen. This is equal to 72.73 divided by 16. It is equal to 4.54 and it's approximated to 4. Now let us write the molecular formula of the compound. So it is C2O4 or 2CO2. So when we calculate, here we have 2 carbon and oxygen 4. Here also 2 carbon and oxygen 4. Now we have to find the molecular mass or molecular weight is equal to 2 into 12 plus 4 into 16. So this gives 24 plus 64, which is equal to 88. So the molecular mass of the compound is 88 grams. I hope the problem solving shared here would be useful to you. And if you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you all for watching.